All right, welcome to part 3. I went ahead and I got all my plumbing in, got my cylinder on, got all my plumbing in, tied up, ready to go. So both that is functioning with hydro. Ran my lines all the way down, tied them all up, got it all good to go. And we're gonna go ahead and, I went ahead and unbolted it. We're gonna give her a test run. All right, we're fired up. Let's see if my geometry is gonna work or not. Oh, look at that. Yeah, baby. Sweet. I'm going to be making a support to support that for transport, so all that is not going on the framework and my tabs and the cylinder and stuff. So, yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Yay. All right, so priority change yet again. Oopsie. Priority change yet again. I was going to do a support here to support the weight of this for transport. I'm pausing on that because we're probably going to be adding some wings, and depending on how the cylinder layout or whatever we do, we're not 100% sure yet. So we're going to hold on that for right now, and we're going to give her a little bit of a light upgrade. Throw some strobes on her, midship and in the back, and then some work lights as well. So yeah, let's get into that. All right, we got a blinky. Look at that. Definitely see her now. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get some work lights on here. All right, so I went ahead and added another strobe there. Got my work light on, and I have another work light back here. Another one on the other side. The work lights are on separate switches, so you can turn on the left side, the right side, or the back. But as of right now, we're pausing on this thing. We need to jump into some other work. So I'll probably paint that first thing Monday, and then we're gonna kick her out for now. So I will be getting the wings. I'll be doing a video on the wings when I get back into it, and the support, and possibly some other things. But as of right now, I'm done with this for now, and I don't wanna wait on the video. So we're gonna call it done for now.